Starting a fitness journey can seem like one of the most difficult and daunting tasks for anybody to take on. From creating goals to establishing routines to building good habits, it just seems like so much to unpack. But honestly, it's not even all that bad. I feel like a lot of people overcomplicate the process and underestimate their own abilities. And to be fair, I'm guilty of this too. When I started my fitness journey, I was just going to the gym and doing whatever. And I got results, but it wasn't the results that I really wanted. But guess what? Going to the gym consistently at least allowed me to establish some kind of routine. And I feel like for anybody to get over that first hurdle, they have to simplify the process for themselves. So today I wanted to share a couple of things that helped me get back on track and help me build the foundation to get to where I am now. So the first tip I can share is you definitely want to start off small. Starting off small seems like such a basic thing to say, right? Everybody starts off small in some way, but I feel like this statement gets misconstrued in fitness. Every year we see people set New Year's resolutions that say, I'm gonna get in the gym and I'm gonna lose 50 pounds within a month. Well, that's very difficult to do. And unless you have the ability to just drop everything you're doing and go to the gym every single day or work out every single day, it's probably not gonna happen for you. And for a lot of people, that's what happens. They set these big goals right in the beginning that with their prior history, it's probably not going to work out for them. It's also when you just try to make too many changes at once. Start small, pick one thing, eat healthier every day. Try to eat breakfast every day, right? Try to go to the gym and do some light jogging every day. Start off with some light weights. My recommendation in the beginning is try to establish as much consistency as possible. Those are the building blocks that are gonna help you reach your goals a lot faster and allow you to maintain what you've built. So with all that being said, let's quickly go over the steps again of how to take your fitness journey from point A to point B. Number one, establish your fitness level. Things like body fat percentage, your current weight, your BMI. These things can be taken into account in how you can approach your fitness goals, but it's not the end all be all. Number two, create a goal for yourself. Are you trying to lose weight? Are you trying to gain muscle? Are you doing it for competition? Are you trying to motivate yourself? Are you trying to gain confidence, relieve stress? All these different things can be a factor in how you approach your workouts. Number three, what's your routine? How often are you going? How many days a week? What type of workouts are you gonna do? Are you able to go to the gym? Do you wanna do home workouts? How often are you gonna go? Every day? Every other day? Do you wanna do workouts that are fun or things that can really challenge you? Is there a program that you already have that you're just trying to start? Fourth, get started. Head to the gym, start your home workouts, start running, start biking, cycling, walking, anything that you can find that will help you increase your daily activity. And hey, be creative. Workouts don't have to be something that you hate doing. It can be fun too. And finally, track your progress. Make sure that you're listening to your body. Make sure you're getting the proper amount of rest and recovery that you need. If you're going to the gym and doing a certain amount of weight or doing certain repetitions, you want to start tracking those things because it can really help you with your progress overall. But hey, there's a lot more to go over and a lot more to cover. And I'll be doing that in the future in my next couple videos. So if you're looking forward to seeing more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and be on the lookout for more content. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.